Beloved, I see your struggles, your fears and your doubts. Know this, I am with you. You do not need to be consumed by your anxieties. Trust in me, for I have delivered you before, and I will deliver you again. As it is written in 2 Corinthians 1:10, He has delivered us from such a deadly peril, and He will deliver us again. On Him we have set our hope that He will continue to deliver us. Your hope, your faith, they are not misplaced when they rest in me. I understand. Life can feel overwhelming. The challenges may seem endless, but I have a promise for you, one that stands firm. Romans 8:28. And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose. This doesn't mean every situation will go as you desire. It doesn't mean life will be without pain or disappointment. But it does mean that I am at work in every circumstance, bringing something good even from the darkest moments. Think of life as a great puzzle. Each moment, each joy, each sorrow, each trial is a piece. Some pieces may look confusing or incomplete on their own. But trust me, beloved,